Vivo y91c LCD broken. We gotta change it right now. First things, we gotta remove the back cover. It's preferable to use this opening tools. It helps a lot in opening rather than using your nails that may be broken. Remove the 3 screws that we have here. Just that simple. Remove this cover, unplug the battery, unplug the LCD flex. This is the LCD flex. Gotta remove the battery carefully because it may damage the whole phone like this. In some cases you have to heat it a bit because it's stuck with the glue. Alright, so put that back, remove this plastic, remove this flex like this. And then remove the LCD. Be careful not to damage the edges of the phone, in which we're gonna put the other LCD. You have to clean the edges of the phone and the corners from the left glass, the broken glass. Be careful to your fingers, may be damaged. Alright, we have to remove this speaker cover from the old LCD to use it in the new one, because it covered the phone from dust and water. Alright, remove this little glasses here. Put it in its place like this. Alright, then check if there is something still there that prevent LCD from be set in its place properly. And now we're gonna assemble the new LCD. First, we're gonna check if it's working good. Sometimes the LCDs may not be working good, so we gotta check if it's working. Put the battery flex and then click on the power button. As you can see, it's working. We gotta wait some while the phone is turning on, and we gotta check the touch screen. This is the final step before putting the glue in the corner of the phone and place the LCD, the new one. This is the easiest steps to change any phone LCD. As you can see, the LCD is working good. The touch screen is working also, like this. So I have to turn off the phone like that. and remove the battery. Then you remove the LCD flex carefully because it's so sensitive. Then we're gonna put some glue in the corners and the edges of the phone, like this. Little glue, not too much. You have to be precise not to put the glue outside the phone, so that may be seen by the client. You have to be professional in putting the new LCD in its place, like that. And then put some glue in this area. Alright. Alright. Put the LCD in its place, like this. To be very careful. That's good. It fits properly. It fits really well. I forgot something here. You have to remove it. It's not a big deal, but maybe forgot to remove this first. Excuse me. Alright. You have to be fast in this moment because the glue is not waiting for us to complete. It will be dried in a while. You have to be real fast in this moment. Put back the battery like this. And then plug this cover and then put the cover, the back cover of the phone in its place, like this, like that. Put cards, some card, something. And then I prefer using these tools to fix the LCD. You have to wait at least half an hour to remove these things so that we make sure the LCD is really installed in its place. So let's check if the phone is working. Good, that's it. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you like this and you want more, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thanks.